Hey little champs! Today we're going to learn about action words. Action words tell us what someone is doing. Are you ready to move and learn together? Let's go! Playing. Playing. Knocking. Knocking. Opening. Opening. Pouring. Pouring. Pushing. Pushing. Pulling. Pulling. Riding. Riding. Writing. Writing. Sitting. Sitting. Running. Running. Standing. Standing. Throwing. Throwing. Chasing. Chasing. Washing. Washing. Sleeping. Sleeping. Great job, little champs. Now let's go over what we learned today. Playing. Knocking. Opening. Pushing. Pulling. Pouring. Riding. Sitting. Writing. Standing. Throwing. Running. Chasing. Washing. Sleeping. Wow, you did an amazing job learning all those action words today. Remember, you can practice these actions every day. If you had fun, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends so they can learn too. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye.